What's up everyone? Today we're going to be taking a look at a meme coin that is built on Solana, as Solana meme coins have done exceptionally well over the last couple of months, and there is an upcoming catalyst on the Solana network that is going to be launching this week that could drive a lot of money into these meme coins. And so PONKE is a degenerate gambler with anger issues on the Solana network. And so if you're not following them on Twitter or X, you can go ahead and check them out here as well. Now, there is not much utility to this. It is strictly a meme coin. However, people have been making a massive amount of money buying meme coins on Solana, and so this is definitely one to check out. If you enjoy this video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and hit that bell notification for future content. And so while you're down there, you can also check out the link to Margex. If you're interested in leverage trading, you can go ahead and leverage trade up to 100x on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and then they also have other assets on here as well that you can leverage trade. And so there is a link underneath the video. If you do use that link, you can get a bonus for your trading fees, and so make sure to check that out. And so we can go ahead and see PONKE on CoinMarketCap here, currently trading under 5 cents with a market cap of 27.24 million currently. And so there's definitely a lot of room for growth here. We've seen other assets on the Solana blockchain do very well. For example here, if we take a look at the top Solana meme coins, we can see Bonk here is still trading around $728 million market cap. This went over $1 billion. And there was a catalyst that drove that. There's a catalyst that drove a lot of money to start flowing into these smaller altcoins. And we're going to see the same thing happen this week with a catalyst that could potentially drive a lot of money into these meme coins. And so I think that PONKE is one to definitely keep an eye on. And so let's go ahead and take a look at the catalyst that is up and coming this week. We have Jupiter to launch their own token on January 31st. And so Jupiter is one of the largest decentralized exchanges built on Solana, and they are going to be releasing their own token. And so with that there, they are airdropping that, and so a lot of people are getting free money. And when people get free money, they tend to just ape into a bunch of meme coins where they can potentially turn that money into from $1,000 into $50,000. And so when people are given free money, they're a lot more risky with it. They're okay with losing it because they were given it for free. And so that is definitely something to keep in mind. And so Jupiter here handles roughly 65% of the Solana decentralized exchange volume, according to Dune Analytics. They peaked with 16 billion in volume in November, up from 946 million in September and 3.9 billion in October. And so we can see there that they have a very high amount of volume. And so they are launching here. The first round will take place on January 31st. And so half of the tokens will be given to the Jupiter community, and the other half will be managed by the team with a vested 20% of 1 billion tokens going to the team. So I want to put this into perspective here with how much they're going to be launching. So we can see here that 955,000 wallets that interacted with Jupiter are going to be eligible for the first airdrop. And so there's going to be a lot of tokens that are going to be airdropped to a lot of these people that were interacting with Jupiter before November 2nd. And so back in December, we also saw other airdrops happen on the Solana network. And so we can see here that there are other airdrop tokens, roughly 87 million at the end of November. And then we had the second largest liquid staking protocol for JTO with an airdrop of about 228 million. Now I think Jupiter is going to have a larger airdrop than that, say roughly maybe $500 million. And that's definitely going to flow throughout the Solana ecosystem. Half of that may go into meme coins. And so we're going to see a big growth here as they start pushing up. We're going to see a lot of other retail investors that maybe did not receive the airdrop from Jupiter. However, they want to be part of the gains, and so they're going to be also investing their money into this. And so that is why I think PONKE is one definitely to pay attention to, as they could do very well moving forward. And so in addition to that, PONKE is also listed on quite a few exchanges here as well. We can see they're listed on BitGet. They're listed on Jupiter here, the DEX that's going to be launching their token on January 31st. We can see they're listed on MEXC, and then they also have more exchange listings on the way. And so, now in addition to these exchanges, they're also going to be listing on xt.com, and this is going to be going live on January 29th. And so we could see other exchanges also announcing that they're listing PONKE as well here, especially because they know that Jupiter is going to be doing a massive airdrop here coming up on January 31st. And now a lot of people could potentially sell Jupiter. Some people may hang on to it. However, since it is going to be within the Solana ecosystem, it's going to be easiest to move that money in the Solana ecosystem on Jupiter rather than bridging it over to another ecosystem such as ERC20. That's much more difficult to do. And so I could see them definitely selling, taking some profit, and then aping into a meme coin. And so that is why I'm taking a look at PONKE here. Now, this is just taking a look at the bigger picture here and predicting what could possibly happen. I'm not saying to go out and buy PONKE. However, I think there's a big catalyst coming up, a lot of money that's going to be flowing into the ecosystem. And this is very similar to what we saw at the beginning of December with other cryptocurrencies that launched an airdrop on Solana. We saw a lot of meme coins do extremely well, and so I am predicting that that could take place here. Now, PONKE did not exist when the first airdrops were taking place back in December. Now, if we were not able to take advantage of the Jupiter airdrop on Thursday, that is why I'm looking into the bigger picture here and looking where that money could potentially flow, and I am thinking it would flow into Solana meme coins. Now, PONKE is a partner of the channel. However, I think they could do well, especially as this money starts flowing throughout the ecosystem. And so another thing to keep in mind here is with a lot of this volume and the huge airdrop taking place on Thursday, we could see Solana ecosystem or the blockchain actually go down. We have seen that in the past. And so that is definitely something to keep in mind. So I would not put more money into these cryptocurrencies than you can lose. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe, and make sure to check out that link underneath the video to Margex, where you can leverage trade up to 100x on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And then they have about 40 other assets here that you can also leverage as well. And so this is one of the easiest leverage platforms that I have personally used. And then they also have a deposit bonus going on right now as well. And so thanks so much, and I hope to see you in the next video.